happening? This is Johnny Snow in the building again, and today we're gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna have my son teach my niece how to break down this NAC9 and this FX9. All right, this is a controlled environment. There's absolutely no live ammunition in this room, and everything is being done under completely safe conditions. Yeah, and he's gonna show her how to field strip both of these weapons and put them back together. All right, so hopefully they don't tear my guns up. But, you know, my son's been doing this for a minute, so he should be able to teach somebody how to do it, you know, and this is for the kid friendly. So, Johnny Snow up out of here.
Today I will be showing you and my cousin, Anna, how to take apart an FX9. The required tools are this. This is completely optional, which is a screwdriver. So first, you take out the magazine and you pull back the charging handle to make sure no bullets are in it. Then you take out this little pin right here. You can't really see it. It'll be easier to see when I flip it over. So you take out the pin, you flip it over. This is the pin. You take it out, but not fully, and then the gun will slide open. Then you take out the bolt carrying group. After you take out the bolt carrying group, you take out the charging handle. Boom, the gun has been taken apart. When you want to put the gun back together, you put in the charging handle first, then the bolt carrying group. Slide it back together and you push this back in. Make sure you don't put it in too tight. After that, you put in the magazine and you cock the gun back.
I'm gonna do it now. So first, you take out the magazine. Wait, how do you take it out? How do you slide it out?
There's a button to take it out.
Which button, Drill?
It's on the back.
Which one?
There's
a lot of buttons.
This is the front. It's this button.
Oh, okay. So first you're gonna take out the magazine, like Drill said.
You got a vital part.
Oh, there's some guns in like there's a bullet in the chamber.
You gotta check if there's no bullets in.
There's no bullets. Then
you gotta take out the pin, which is right here.
Okay.
Make sure you don't scratch the gun.
This?
No.
This first?
This first.
Okay.
Then there's a button on the side.
What button?
This
Is
button.
it like?
Right here.
Oh, okay. Okay. Do I have to press the button to put it back in or just slide it?
Just slide it in and make sure it's in.
Okay. Oopsies. Sorry, you guys.
That's the wrong way in. Nope, still wrong.
I was sliding in another one you said it was wrong. Is it supposed to go to the back like this?
No.
Oh, it's supposed to go
like
straight
this.
on.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, YouTube family. I mean,
No, you gotta put in the magazine.
put the magazine in first and then cock it back. Like,
You have to use the same button to cock it back. Like this. press this button. Make sure your hand isn't right there because it can hurt you.
So is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah, that's it.
Hello, this is the second half / part 2 of the video. I am now going to be showing you how to take apart AK-47 chambered in 9mm, also known as an ACK-9. I am also going to be showing my cousin.
Hi, stupid.
I'm gonna act like that didn't happen.
It did. Go ahead, show us, stupid.
Alright, so first, you take out the magazine. This one, the magazine isn't in due to the gun vise. Then, you cock it back to make sure there's no bullets in. After you've done that, pull the rear sight forward, and then you push this little button, which is the spring, back so you can pull the dust cover up. After you've done that, you take the spring out, pull it out. Then you take the buffer out, pull this out. After you've done that, you take the bolt carrier group out. And now you have just taken apart the ACK-9, also known as an AK-47 chambered in 9mm.
Can I try now, stupid?
You're the one who's stupid. Watch you do this in like 9 tries.
Watch me do it in the first try. Stupid.
Alright, let me put it back together. So first, you put the bolt carrier back in, and then you slide it. After you've done that, you put the buffer in. And then you put the spring back in.
Nine tries, huh?
Please stop talking. After you've done that, you put that down, then you flip the rear side backward. Now you try.
Okay. Like you said, stupid. First, you're gonna check for bullets. There are no bullets in there, clearly. Then, you're gonna press this forward and pull that up. Oh, wait, I forgot. My bad. I'm sorry, YouTube family. Of course, you're gonna flip this back after shut up. After checking for bullets. Then, you are going to pull out this spring. Take this out. And then you're gonna take this part out as well. He did not mention that you would have to add a little bit of force to take it out. And I have successfully taken this apart in one try. Boom.
But can you put it back together?
Yes, I can. So first, I'm gonna put this back.
Part.
No, it's not the wrong part. I'm gonna slide this back in here. And then I'm gonna slide that back in there. And then I'm gonna put that back in there. Shut up.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Girl power.
Ladies, you can do it too. Don't let your stupid little cousin, oh shoot, excuse me. Don't let your stupid cousin tell you you can't.
I'm not stupid.
He's a little stupid. Tell you that you can't do it.
I didn't say you had to do it.
You're gonna have to add a little force when you do that. Wrong way.
And I'm the stupid one.
You know what? You're lucky you're my cousin. You're so lucky. Okay. I'm gonna get this, you guys, I promise.
You sure you're putting it in correctly?
Shut up.
Okay, I was just trying to help. Oh my.
Okay. Obviously, I'm having a little trouble, but it's okay. Yeah, Jarrell, am I putting it in the right way?
Well,
All jokes aside.
Let's see. Yes, you are putting it in correctly. It's just that it's really hard to see. And it's even difficult for me sometimes.
Okay. Add a little force.
What it is that it's brand new. It's a brand new gun. So it's stiff still. So it hasn't been pulled out a lot.
There we go. So then you're gonna put this spring back in. A little force needs to be applied. And make sure you get it in these grooves. I'm struggling a little bit. That's okay. This is my first time. Woo. Okay.
Pull the sheet back onto the table.
Oh, sorry. Okay. There we go. Then, with force, here we go. And then you're gonna put that back. And I have successfully put back together this gun. In one try. Stupid.
With my help.
Okay. Do I need to cock this back or anything?
No, you don't.
Not necessarily. Okay.
So tell me about y'all experience. How was that?
It was easy for me.
Of course it was, because you already know how. But for someone who is just learning, I feel like this was very simple. The first gun was pretty simple too. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to put a gun back together or take one apart. So for all of you ladies out there watching, this was pretty simple. You can do it too. Don't let any man tell you can't do anything, because we can do anything that they can do and do it way better. And that's on period.
You still did it with my help.
Shut up. Anyways, thank you, stupid.
I feel offended.
I didn't call you the R word again.
Okay.
Yeah. So, Darrell, how was your experience teaching me?
You are a very difficult student.
I felt like I wasn't that difficult. I sat there and was quiet for a while.
It was kind of easy teaching you, although I did need to help you when you were putting it back together with the buffer. But that part's kind of hard anyways. So, I felt that you did a good job.
Thanks. I guess this is it, you guys. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next video. Right, Darrell?
Yeah.
Say bye.
Why you flinch, Holmes?
Super flinching.
All right, good job.